Hi everybody, welcome back to our repair lab. This is Nick Dumeier. Today we're going to do a product spotlight actually on a Johnson Control part. This is the AS-UNT-111-1. You can see this one here in my lab. This is actually a core that just recently came back to us here at ISA. It's actually already got an order against it. So what's about to happen is our technicians is going to get this part, actually go through it and actually repair it and get it back to like new working condition. Once it's done, it'll be actually be put into our mock-up system, make sure it tests out properly and is ready to go right back out the door for our customers. Now, if you have questions about this unit here, or really any Johnson Controls unit, make sure to contact your account manager and they'll be glad to help you with both pricing and availability. This is Nick Dumeier. We'll talk to you again soon.